Hi, everybody. 3:40 on a Tuesday, and all of a sudden, I have a lot to talk about. Here we are right now. It's been a chilly day. We've had a few breaks in the cloud cover, some thin spots. You can see one right there over downtown Portland and the Tillicum Crossing. 39 out of PDX. Actually, still enough low clouds and fog around for some mist being reported. Salem's a little bit cleaner. 43 there. 39 in Vancouver. Nobody's really warm. I mean, 43 in Salem and McMinnville are the warmest spots. Tomorrow, I think this Wednesday could be very similar to today. We're going to start off with fog in the morning, freezing temperatures. Some of you will be in the 20s, so a real cold start, light winds. And then we'll look to see how much partial clearing we can develop during the afternoon or not. Again, tomorrow, if we don't get much sun, we'll struggle to get up to 40. If we do, we'll be up into the low 40s, maybe even 44 in some spots. So that's coming up tomorrow. All right, check this out. This is from the USA Today newspaper. It's talking about a storm that initiated in the Sierra of California, Lake Tahoe area, is now going to be moving to the east and mixing with a lot of cold weather. I wanted to show you this graphic because it just shows the jet stream bending down south and just dropping cold air straight down from the Arctic Circle. Now here's another way to look at this. This is the European forecast model. This is basically for the week of December 16th into December 23rd, so almost up to Christmas Eve. Look at the cold weather departures. These are departures from normal. So these purple colors, I realize you can't see this, but you can see the cold colors. The purple is as much as 30 degrees below normal temperatures in Montana, Idaho, over into parts of eastern Washington even. Wow, really cold. This shows we're going to be more like 10 to 12 degrees potentially below normal here in our area. Now, that's the European model. Right now, the European model brings down the thrust of that cold weather into our area during the day on Sunday, this upcoming Sunday, and then into Monday. And that would give us Sunday, Monday, and a Tuesday morning of at least possible snow shower activity. Now, keep in mind, this cold air is coming straight down from the north, so there's not really much of any moisture feeding with it. So right now, I'm not seeing anything that really looks alarming in terms of moisture amounts. The bigger story, I think, is just going to be the cold. And the American model right now is not nearly as cold as the European model, but that could change. So really, this is my first heads up to you to keep an eye on what's going on this coming Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday of next week. So my 7-day forecast. Tomorrow I mentioned a lot like today. Maybe we get lucky and we start to clear out of the cloudiness a little bit tomorrow, but I'm not sure. So either just like today or a little bit brighter. Thursday, Friday, it still looks like finally we get the east wind, which days ago looked like it was going to be here actually yesterday. So if we get the east wind on Thursday and Friday, and the flow pattern cleans up a little bit, we would have a couple of beautiful sunny days. It would be cold at night. Again, I have 28 and 28 in Portland, and places in colder spots like Hillsboro, for example, down toward Albany, Lebanon, you could be more like 23, 24 degrees. That's really cold stuff. Saturday, partly cloudy. All of the forecast models are pretty much in alignment through the day Saturday. Then remember, the European model is much colder than what the American model is. So right now, I've kind of fudged the temperatures a little bit warmer. If the European model turns out to be right, these numbers will be much colder. So for right now, I've got a wintry mix of light showers on Sunday, 32 to 40. Snow showers, light stuff or flurries Sunday overnight into Monday. Mainly some snow showers, I would think 32, 38 on Monday. Right now, it looks like it would be light stuff. And then some light snow showers on Tuesday. And after that, we clear out and we become dry. Now, again, if the European model is not overdoing it, if it's the one that's right, these temperatures would be colder than what I am showing you. So again, just keep your eye on what's coming up that Sunday, Monday, Tuesday of next week. It still looks like, by the way, there's a weather front that comes in Christmas Eve, so December 24th, obviously, that brings some pretty good rain. And then it's looking more and more like those showers behind that front will linger into Christmas Day, with temperatures in the 40s probably here in Portland. So that's your early look at Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. But that's a long ways off, and first we'll see how much of this cold weather we get into and what it does when it gets here. All right, I'm feeling better. Hope you can tell. Good to be back. And don't forget to hit subscribe if you like these videos. Tell your friends. My weather site's portlandweather.com, and I will talk to you soon.